2 weeks ago, the world witnessed a shocking diplomatic showdown inside the Oval Office. U.S. President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy clashed in a tense and dramatic meeting, leaving the future of U.S. aid to Ukraine in jeopardy. What really happened in the office? Let's break it down. On February 28, 2025, President Zelenskyy arrived at the White House for what was expected to be a routine discussion on military aid and a potential minerals deal. But what started as diplomacy quickly turned into a heated exchange. The key issue? Ukraine's rare earth minerals, a critical resource for global tech and defense industries. The U.S. wanted better access in exchange for its ongoing military and financial support. But Zelenskyy had bigger concerns. He doubted Russia's sincerity in peace talks, warning that President Putin could not be trusted. He shared evidence of Russia's aggression and recent attack, which clashed with Trump's push for diplomacy. Trump wasn't pleased. Vice President J.D. Vance called Zelenskyy's remarks disrespectful, and Trump accused him of being too hostile toward Putin, warning that his approach could lead to World War III. The atmosphere grew tense, and suddenly, the deal was off. Trump abruptly canceled the signing of the minerals agreement and ordered the Ukrainian delegation to leave. He then took an even more drastic step, pausing all U.S. military aid to Ukraine until further notice. Zelenskyy later called the incident regrettable, but remained firm that Ukraine was ready to negotiate for peace. However, this unexpected U.S.-Ukraine rift has raised major concerns among European allies. According to PBS News report on March 11, 2025, the Trump administration has resumed military aid and intelligence sharing with Ukraine after Kyiv expressed willingness to a 30-day ceasefire in its war with Russia, contingent on Moscow's agreement. This decision followed talks in Saudi Arabia, where U.S. and Ukrainian officials discussed long-term peace and security guarantees. Secretary of State Marco Rubio emphasized that the ceasefire offer would be presented to the Kremlin, while National Security Advisor Mike Waltz highlighted Ukraine's alignment with President Trump's vision for peace. The discussions occurred shortly after Ukraine launched its largest drone attack since Russia's full-scale invasion, and Trump's envoy, Steve Witkoff, is expected to visit Moscow for potential talks with President Putin. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.